Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about AND operator in SQL, right? So in the previous class, we had discussed about the order by keyword, right? So in this class, we'll discuss about AND operator, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, I have created the database called customer database, right? So in this database, I have created the table called customer table, right? So I'm having the attributes called customer ID, customer name, address, city, postal code, and the country, right? So in this table, I have inserted 6 rows, right? I have inserted 6 rows. So we can see that 6 rows by executing this command. Select star from customer. Let's execute it. So now we are having the table, right? So this is my table. So where you find customer ID, customer name, address, city, postal code, and the country, right? So now we have to use this, like we have to use the AND operator, right? So how can I? By writing the statement called select star from customer, right? So where country equal to America, right? So here I have to use. So this is the key. This is the operator, the AND operator. We have to use this in this statement, right? I hope you understand. So first of all, we have to write select star from customer. So where country is America. So I'm finding America. So I want the rows where the country is America, right? So I want the details whose country is America, right? So and after I have to write customer name like so. So what is R percentage? So R percentage means so whose name will start with R. So in the customer name, whose name starts with R, right? So this percentage represents the rest of the characters. This percentage represent the rest of the characters, right? So let's execute this statement and click on execute. See, so wherever you find the country America and the customer name like R, right? So whose name starts with R, that data is filtered, right? That data is filtered. So in this way, we can use the AND operator. We can use the AND operator in SQL, right? I hope you understand. So after that, so I'll just execute this statement again, right? So we are having the country America for the customer name Ironman and the customer name Rajesh also, right? Right. So I want filter both these, whoever having the America, the country name. So I want to filter all the data, not only Rajesh. I want to filter Ironman also, right? So for that you have to write the statement is select star from customer. So where country is equal to America, right? So and so here you have to open the parenthesis, right? Here you have to write customer name like I, right? I percentage means Ironman, right? So this percentage represents the rest of the characters in that word, right? So after that, here you have to write or. Here you have to write or. So or represents either this or this. You have to you have to put the data in the output. So or will check whether this statement proves that if this statement proves, the data will be presented in the output, or if other statement true, that dot is also will be presented in the output, right? I hope you understand. So here I will write customer name, like here I will write R percentage, right? So I'm asking, so you have to print the data where customer name, like whose name starts from I, right? So whose name starts from I and whose name starts from R also, right? So I'm asking both the values. I'm asking both the values. So that's why I'm writing or here. So with the use of and, we can use the or also, right? I hope you understand. So with the use of and operator, I'm using the or operator also, right? So by filtering, I will get the customer name whose name starts with I and the customer name whose name starts with or also, right? So let's run this statement. Let's execute it. See, I got both Ironman and the Rajesh, right? I hope you understand. So in this way, we can use the AND operator in SQL. So I hope you understand. And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.